So I just found out how to do this in Lightroom, and I thought I have to make a video about this just in case there's anyone else out there struggling with this one small thing. Today, I'm gonna show you how to reset your editing settings on all of your photos. Let me show you. So right now I'm in Lightroom and I have a photo here, okay? Now, usually if you wanna reset your settings and start from scratch, right? Say you don't really like your edit and you wanna, start over, you can just click this button right here, which says reset. Once you do that, it'll reset your settings. But the thing is, if you have a lot of photos that you want to reset, you're gonna have to do this for each one of those photos. And as you can see here, I have a little over 200 photos. This means I will have to do this process 200 times. Now, what I thought would be possible is to just, hold Shift and select the photos that I want to reset and just click this reset button. But as you can see, it only does it for one image. Even though I've selected all the images that I want to reset, they only did it for one of the images. I was like, there has to be another way. There just has to be another way. So I did some research and I figured out how to do it. So if you want to reset your photos for 2, 3 photos or 200, what you have to do is just go to right here, the library. Now, what you're gonna do is select all the photos that you want to reset. If you want to reset all the photos, you just do Control A or Command A if you're on a Mac, and you will go here to Photo. You will go down to Develop Settings, and here you'll see Reset. Now, once you click this Reset button, it'll reset all your photos to 0, right? So if you had done any edits to them, if you had done, anything with the crop, the reframing, the exposure, anything that you have adjusted will be reset to 0. Now, this works if you want to reset 2 photos, 3 photos, anytime that it's more than 1 photo that you want to reset, you can do this. Now, what I'm going to do here is just click reset and boom. Now, all the photos, as you can see, it'll update, but all the photos are reset to the base settings. So yeah, this was just a quick tutorial. I thought I have to show you guys how to do this because it really will save you a lot of time instead of going through each photo and resetting it one by one. So yeah, I hope you learned something new today and that you liked this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Now, if you want to support me and my channel, my new Lightroom Cinematic Moody preset is available. There'll be the first link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Keep creating. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.